To join two pattern pieces together, click the Join Pieces tool, then click inside each piece. The red lines show where the pieces will be joined together. Tick on Change Direction to change the starting point. Click OK, and the system joins the two pieces into one. Tick on Join Separately to join the pieces, but keep them as two separate pieces. Create Internal joins the two pieces into one, and makes an internal contour at the join mark. If there is a grade point dividing a contour, be sure to cross over the segment along which you wish to join the pieces. When joining pieces with uneven curve shapes, the shape might become distorted. In this case, tick on the Join Uneven option, and the system smoothly joins the pieces.